How to reduce photo size on iPhone. So let's go to your photos and pick a photo to resize. So I'm just going to choose, I guess, this one here that I did of my dog. And you want to click the eye icon at the bottom center of the screen here. And that's going to just give you some information. So if you ever want to know how big your file is, go ahead and hit that button and this will give you the information. So from this point, go ahead and hit the share button at the bottom left-hand corner, scroll down, and go and click Save to Files. And go ahead and hit Save. So come out of your photos, go find your Files app, and go ahead and click Recents. It's just the easiest way to find this photo. So go ahead and click and hold the photo. You're going to get some options here. Scroll down and hit Quick Actions. And then from here, go ahead and hit Convert Image. And from here, you have three different formats that you can choose from. We're going to choose JPEG. That is the smallest format that it can be. And I would recommend choosing either small or medium for a big difference in your file size. So go ahead and hit medium. As you see, it's rendering. And if you look right there, you can see that the original photo was 2.6 megabytes, and now the file is much, much smaller. Go ahead and click that file. From here, you can save it to your Photos app. It doesn't really matter, but if you hit that eye option at the bottom of the screen, this will give you the current size of that photo. And that's it.